Hey everyone, welcome back. Right, I finished working on these for the day. We're going to pop down the road now to my mate's house. He's got a car that was in the flood, and we're going to see if we can get it started. So, let's take a look.
It would do it to us.
No, that's alright.
You could go the inside then. Go the water line inside.
Yeah, we'll take a look at that now, innit? So, Citroen HDI 1.6. You can see in there where the water's come up to. Now the electrics are there. Now this all looks like it hasn't had any water in it. Now we could take those off. But what we're going to do is put a socket down there and see if we can turn this thing over by hand.
You could do inside there.
Yeah, let me turn this over by hand first. Hold that there for me. Can you see the belts here that is turning? So there's no compression lock on the engine. I don't know if you can see that. You try and do it so as the socket on.
I just zoomed in on it now.
Can you see it turn?
Yeah.
Cool. Right, so we can see the water hasn't gone up to the electrics. There's no water up on here. Let's have a look in the car. I tell you what, you're lucky with these that the electrics are so high, isn't it? But, well, it's come over the dash, isn't it, actually? Right then, it's up to you. Do you want to turn it over?
We'll give it a go of that.
Yeah, take that off. Moment of truth. Aha, lovely. That is awesome.
Yes!
On. It's pumping the water out the exhaust. The water's flowing out the back.
Positives from Skewen flooded.
Yeah. That is awesome.
Come on!
Right. So we
Cheers,
tested it first on a lawnmower, that worked, but now the car. Hey man, that is superb. You've got to clean it now. I ain't helping you clean it.
Oh my god, it's just so...
It's still water in the back, yeah. There's a puddle. I dare you a tenner to have a sip.
Huh?
I dare you a tenner to have a sip.
Just a tenner.
Yeah. Hey,
You're a bit tight now.
my channel don't make any money, fella.